I would like to welcome the CES Distinguished Fellow 2024, Professor Goldberg from Yale University. Welcome to our university. And of course, congratulations for this award, one of many awards you have received in your distinguished academic career. And this career will be explained in more detail by Professor Ossa from the World Trade Organization. Also a warm welcome to you. Therefore, no CES Munich lecture. No fellowships without the CES, and the director of the CES is also here with his charming wife, Clemens. Welcome in this room today. And you will also give a couple of introductory remarks afterwards. And in addition, you will then give the award to Professor Goldberg together with the Dean of the Faculty, Professor Cantoni. Also welcome, and you also perform an important job tonight. Therefore, finally, I wish us all an interesting, stimulating lecture and a nice evening. Thank you very much.
Magnificenz, lieber Bernd, dear Penny, dear colleagues and friends of the Center for Economic Studies and CESifo, ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to celebrate the 31st Munich Lectures in Economics. The Munich Lectures were founded by our colleague and friend Hans-Werner Sinn. Every year, the CES Council selects one of the world's leading economists to receive the CES Distinguished Fellowship and deliver the Munich Lectures. For more than 3 decades, the Munich Lectures have been a key forum for recognizing groundbreaking contributions to the field of economics. This year, it's an honor to recognize Penny Goldberg from Yale University as our Distinguished CES Fellow 2024 and Munich Lecturer. Penny, we are absolutely delighted that you are here with us tonight, that you accepted the prize, and of course that you accepted to deliver this lecture. So also from my side, a very warm welcome to Munich. The Munich Lectures are a tribute to an economist whose work exemplifies both academic excellence and profound real-world impact. This could not be more true of Penny Goldberg. Penny Goldberg is professor of economics at Yale University. Penny also served as the first female editor-in-chief of the American Economic Review, and she was president of the Econometric Society. She is a fellow of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, a member of the US National Academy of Sciences, and recipient of the Guggenheim Memorial Foundation Fellowship, the Sloan Research Fellowship, the Bodosaki Prize in social sciences, and so on and so on. In addition, and next to her academic accomplishments, she served as chief economist of the World Bank. As an applied microeconomist, Penny's research has really shaped our understanding of how globalization and trade policies affect growth, development, and also inequality. In recent research, she also studies the return to protectionism we observe and the trade war between China and the US, as well as the importance of market size and gender discrimination for development. Much like all her research, the topic of Penny's Munich lecture tonight is highly policy relevant. I'm very much looking forward to her talk on the changing nature of globalization and its implications for development. Before we proceed, I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to Professor Ralph Ossa, who will deliver the laudation this evening. Ralf holds the Kühne Foundation Professorship of International Trade at the University of Zurich, and he is currently Chief Economist of the World Trade Organization. Ralf, it's a great pleasure to welcome you to Munich. Thank you very much for coming and for holding the laudation tonight. Welcome. Ralf's work focuses on highly policy-relevant questions in international trade. His research analyzes, for instance, how much countries gain from trade. It's been particularly influential for our understanding of the economics of trade wars, trade talks, and international policy coordination. I would also like to thank the opportunity to thank Bernd Huber, our president, for his welcoming remarks earlier. A very warm welcome also to the Dean of our faculty, Davide Cantoni, who is here and who was already mentioned. We are equally honored by the presence of the IFO Scientific Advisory Council members tonight. Among us tonight, the chair of the Council of Economic Experts, Monika Schnitzer. I would also like to welcome all members of the Munich Faculty of Economics and the IFO Institute, in particular my fellow executive board member, Stefanie Dittmar. And of course, our heartfelt gratitude goes to our partners at Munich Re, whose continued support makes events like tonight possible. Special thanks to Oliver Büsse, Michael Mehnhardt, and Monika Gruber for joining us here on behalf of Munich Re. A big thank you, last but by no means least, to the organizational teams at CES and CESifo for their tireless efforts in organizing this event. The Munich lectures wouldn't be possible, of course, without the dedication and hard work of so many people behind the scenes. I hope you will all enjoy the evening, and now without further ado, I am very happy to invite Ralf to deliver the laudation tonight. Ralf, the floor is yours. Thank you.